What's up everybody? So today in front of us we have this, it's an iMac, it's a 21 inches and it doesn't seem to power on. I'm connecting the power cable at the back. So it's connected to the power source. It is. It doesn't power on when you press the power button. And we have been tasked to have a look at it and see where the problem is. And I can take a look at the model. It's a A1418. A1418, probably a 2015 model. And we're going to have to take it out. Taking it out is quite a risky process, but we're going to proceed and see if we can succeed. And mind you, it has a broken spot. It's broken at this area. It has a crack. It has a tiny crack, and we're going to have to take it out and make sure that the crack does not extend. So let us proceed. I'm going to heat it up at the edges. It has very strong adhesive all around, even down at the bottom line, but we're going to have to figure out how it becomes a success. The problem might be at the power supply. Most MacBooks, most iMacs, the power supply is separate from the main board. And if this is the case, it might be an easy one, probably. You have to use this particular tool and you have to take it slow. The process might take even an hour, but this is one thing that you cannot force. You cannot force it inside, you have to let it just. Right now what you're doing is you're slicing through the adhesive so that it can be free. Shortcut to this. Bring it closer. I hope you have seen how to disassemble the iMac. Well, it goes for the same it's just the same process for all the models that look the same, 21 inches and 27 inches, the ones that have this kind of LED panel. The disassembly is the same, just have to be careful and you have to have the right tools. So I'm posting this video after this iMac has been with us for like a month now, but well, I kind of forgot to upload the video, and so I'm doing this voiceover in like a month. But the power supply wasn't the problem. The power supply was very much okay. The problem was the south bridge of the motherboard, and it was shorted to ground, and it's basically a no fix when the south bridge is dead. It's like having a dead GPU. So it was shorted to ground and we couldn't fix that. And well, it being an no fix just means that we just have to replace the motherboard. They want to say the iMac was for his kids, so he's just going to get them a new one, and I guess that's just it. We can't proceed beyond that because we do exactly what the owner asks. So here it is, and we that's how we ended up. We still, the iMac is still with us. I don't know if it's going to be coming for it or what he decided. So this was just a video to show how you disassemble the screen. I know some other technicians might be wondering how to disassemble, so I've decided not to cut anything out, just speed up the video for anyone who is willing to learn from it. You can proceed. You can see I'm quite cautious when I'm touching that power supply because there are two very large 450 volts capacitors that have crazy amount of voltage. They can show, they do give you, they do have a really nice kick. They really do have a nice kick to them. You have to be very careful when handling power supplies. Yeah, so peace out and see you in the next one.